Hi guys, my name's Jake with DashSkin. I actually just wanted to show you guys a fresh, brand new product that we just came out with. It's going to be an 84 to 89 Corvette dash cover. So we're going to go ahead and do a test fit on top of an OEM dash pad. As you can see, this one here is actually not in your physical vehicle. We're basically just going to slide it over top with being careful with these wraparound edges to kind of slide those right over on both sides here. Alright, and right now we're just using a industrial degreaser, and you can use simple green or something similar to it. We're just going to spray it on the rag, wipe it on the dash cover to get any of those old oils, dirt, grime, any of that nasty stuff off of there. Make sure we have a good clean surface to start with. Alright, now that we're done wiping the dash off and cleaning it fully, now we're going to jump right into the next process, which is going to be applying the glue to the bottom of the dash cover. Poke it through so we get the adhesive out. And then we'll go ahead and start here. Alright guys, now that we have the glue applied, we're just going to go ahead and set it right on in, just like we did in the dry fit on top of the dash. If you get that done, we want to go ahead and apply a weight. In this particular case, we're using reams of paper. We want to go ahead and get approximately a total time, cure time of about 12 hours or so. Thanks for watching our video, guys. If you guys are interested in this particular product, check it out at dashskin.com.